Hello! In this video I'm going to show you how to adjust your screen position for your Nintendo Switch Wii console. So to do this, you'll need to press the Wii settings button, which is located in the left down corner of your screen. So press A on it. Go to Wii settings. And from here just go to the screen position, and with these arrows you can move the center of the screen like this. But I'm gonna leave it at 0 because it's fine for me. And if you're ready with your selection, just press confirm and it should be changed. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.